In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export a video in 4K using CapCut. CapCut has become a highly popular video editing app for content creators due to its user-friendly interface and a wide array of editing tools. Exporting your video in 4K ensures that your final product is of the highest possible quality, perfect for professional presentations or sharing on platforms that support high-definition content. First, let's dive into CapCut by opening the application. Once you have the app up and ready, we are going to dive straight into creating something new. What we want to do is start a new project. This is your creative canvas for editing, compiling clips, and adding various effects to bring your vision to life. Simply look for the option that says New Project and tap it. You're now ready to begin working on your masterpiece. Once you have your project all set up with your edits and effects, it's time to get ready for the exciting part, exporting your video. While your project is open, you will want to head towards the Export button. This step is crucial because this is where you'll be setting the parameters for your project's final format. The Export button is generally located towards the upper right or left corner, looking like a little upward arrow or typical export icon. Tap on this button to proceed to the export settings. In the export settings, you'll find options for resolution. This is an important aspect of exporting since resolution affects the quality of your video. The higher the resolution, the crisper and clearer your video will be. To export in 4K, simply select the resolution setting and set it to 4K. Keep in mind that exporting in 4K might take a bit longer and use more storage than lower resolutions, but the enhanced quality is often well worth it. With the resolution set, it's time to finalize the process. Press the Export button once more. The app will begin processing your video, and you might see a progress bar indicating the export is underway. Patience here pays off. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, your video is now ready in beautiful 4K format, ready to be shared or uploaded wherever you wish. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your video in 4K using CapCut. Not only does this allow for superior quality presentations, but it ensures that viewers can experience your content in the highest possible detail. Whether for professional work or personal projects, using CapCut to export in 4K can give you that polished, professional finish. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and easy to follow.